Hi, in this video we are going to show the installation of roofing shingles on a patio roof. For building a patio shade from scratch, see description below for the video link. Please give a thumbs up if you like our video and subscribe to our channel. We first installed the drip cap on the front of the roof, giving a half-inch overhang with nails about 16 inches apart. The purpose of the drip cap is to ensure that the water, if any, drips away from the plywood or fascia board. The drip cap on the sides will go after the roofing underlayment. Here we are using a hand blower to remove any loose particles or dirt on the plywood surface before installing the roofing underlayment. The roofing underlayment we used is a felt paper 36 inches wide, and it came as a 100 feet long roll. Our patio has a length of 20 feet and is 10 feet wide, and we did cut the underlayment beforehand to install on top of the roof. As you can see, this paper comes with a pre-drawn marking, which makes it easier for the placement of the shingles. We overlapped the underlayment by 2 inches and secured it with enough nails to hold it in place, making sure there are no kinks or trapped air. A great tip for you guys is to do the double plywood for your roofing, which we did here so that the roofing nails are not visible from underneath. After the drip cap and underlayment, we begin with the installation of the starter shingles. This starter shingle came in a roll and is also peel and stick. Install the starter shingle on all edges of the roofing with overhang of about ½ inches. Starter shingle will provide the base for the first row of the shingle and will prevent it to rip apart because of the wind uplifting. We used Owens TruDefinition estate grade architectural shingles, which comes with a strip technology for the nails. This really helps in gripping the nails and prevent any water seepage from the nail heads. The installation of the shingles will be similar for any type of roofing. Our patio roof has a slope of about 10 degrees, which is acceptable for the installation of architectural shingles. Make sure to check the manufacturer recommendation of the shingles that you plan on using for your roof type. Here we are starting to install the first course of the shingles. Each shingle is 39.5 inches in length, and this type of shingle requires an exposure of 5 and 5/8 inches. For the next row, the first shingle has a 6.5 inches of offset, and each subsequent row, the length of the first shingle has additional 6.5 inches offset until the fifth row, where the length of the first shingle is about 13 inches. The next row then starts with a full length of shingle and will follow the similar pattern. The shingles on the first row has an overhang of ½ inch from the starter shingle, making it a total of 1 inch overhang from the drip cap. 1 inch overhang is desired, but no more than 2 inches. These shingles have a shear nail strip, and it is recommended that each shingle is secured with 8 nails in total. On each shingle, we drive the nail 1 inch from the end, and the other 2 nails will be 12 inches from the end nails. A quick tip for you guys, your hammer is roughly 12 inches in length. The other 4 nails on the same shingle will come from the overlapping shingle nail. The underlayment which we used came with pre-drawn lines, so it became easier for us to align the shingles. But if you don't have the pre-drawn lines on your underlayment, then you need to use a chalk line to make the markings before laying the shingles. For the last row of the shingles, we did the double overlapping so that the exposed nail heads are covered. Here we are using a sealant to cover the head of the nail to prevent any water seepage. We used a rubber sealant to seal the seams of the shingle of the last row, further ensuring that there is no water that would go in between or through them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up if you liked the video and provide your feedback in the comments below. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos on DIY home improvement.